Chacha Chaudhary and Modi ji. Scene number 1, it's Pinky's birthday and two of her friends Deepu and Billu are presenting gifts to her. Then Chacha Chaudhary enters. He says, Pinky, today is your birthday and I don't see any celebrations. How is that? She replies, Chacha ji, all arrangements have been made, but I want to celebrate my birthday in a different way. Then Deepu asks, How? She replies, Along with poor children. That's wonderful, Pinky. And Chacha Chaudhary blessed her. It's good to celebrate birthday among poor kids. This place is absolutely fine for my birthday. Then Billu says, It's very dirty. People go for defecation in open area. They use firewood for their cooking. It pollutes the air. Chacha ji, let's go somewhere else, Billu said. Then Chacha ji replied, No, we will celebrate Pinky's birthday here and also solve everyone's problems. Then one of the residents of that locality informs everyone, Chacha Chaudhary, Billu, Pinky over here. Then Chacha Chaudhary says, Come, everyone come. We have come to celebrate Pinky's birthday and also to educate you all. Then another resident says, Really? Somebody has come to educate us? Chacha Chaudhary says, We will clean this locality under Swachh Bharat program. We will remain healthy if our surroundings are clean. Also, everyone should construct a toilet. No one will go for open defecation in open area. We also need to get rid of this polluting chulas. Then ladies asked how. Then he replied, under Prime Minister's Ujjwala Yojana, every family below poverty line will be given a gas cylinder and a stove. Then in every house in villages, people started using gas cylinders and stove for their cooking because we will make our country pollution free. Then Chacha Chaudhary asked, why are these small girls doing household work? Then a lady replied, when they grow up, they will do household work, so start learning early. Then Pinky was listening to the conversation between Chacha and the lady. Then Pinky said, you have a very conservative ideology. Girls should be given proper education so that they can achieve new heights. Under Prime Minister's Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme, every girl child can have good education. Every girl has a right for education. Government provides them all opportunities. Then Deepu, while roaming around the locality, encounters a sad man. He asks, hey, you look sad? Then that person replies, due to demonetization, I am not able to buy anything. I don't have any money. Neither can I sell. Then Deepu says, Prime Minister had initiated demonetization to stop black money and terrorist activities. Everyone is facing problems, but it can be solved through digital transactions. Mobile can be used as a wallet and can transfer and receive money directly into our bank accounts. Then Chacha Chaudhary says, we can pay by this app, also sell items. There is no need for any internet connection. By using *99 hash from our mobile, we can make transactions. Debit and credit cards can also be used for transactions and in ATMs. Then two of the residents were talking among each other. Wow, our Prime Minister has started so many schemes for us. Second one said, that's right. Now Deepu asks Chacha Chaudhary, Chacha, now let's continue our work for which we had come here. Chacha Chaudhary says, we must remember that our Prime Minister through these schemes wants to make our lives better. These schemes are useful and important for every one of us. They can only be successful when we all participate, and then only our country will progress. Now begins Pinky's birthday celebration. Sabu has brought lots of gifts for Pinky and for all the kids of that locality. They all enjoyed a lot. They played so many games, and that's how Pinky's birthday was celebrated among poor kids. Happy birthday to you, Pinky. Pinky did a great job on her birthday. She was successful in educating people regarding various schemes launched by our Prime Minister in order to make their life better and also to make our country progress.